In the mobile app, you go into your dashboard, you can click on receipts. At the top, you can click on the cross to add a receipt. You can click on the camera icon, and then you can either upload a file from your phone. You can go to the folder icon, which is your folders in Xero where you might have uploaded it, or you can take a photo. If I take a photo, I'm just going to take a photo of this, pretending it's a receipt. Take a photo, and then I'm going to say OK. You must make sure it's legible, because you're going to be wanting to see that later. So attached files, added just now by you. You can add more than one if you want. Going back into the receipt, what was it for? You can either select the main items there, or if you don't want to put anything, you can just put a full stop and go to next. And we go back. Where do you spend? So you need to put who the supplier was. So if I put, in this case, Strepsils, pretending that's my supplier, and if I say new, spent, we'll assume it was yesterday, so I'll put 14th. How did you pay? If you've paid using a personal account, you can put I want to be repaid, and it will create an expense claim. Or if you've paid with a business account, you can select which one it is. So let's assume we paid with the business account. Then you need to tell Xero where to post it, what it was for. So here we can scroll down the list, or we can search. So let's go for printing and stationery. You can also up here use the 3 dots and add more information if you want. You can split the invoice into items and quantities. You can assign it to a customer, or you can add a reference if you want, which could be the invoice number. You then here put the total including tax. So if we put £120, expensive, I know. And you want total including tax. So if you're VAT registered, you need to tell Xero what to do, whether it's 20% VAT or whether it's no VAT. So if we say it's 20% VAT, so it knows it's £100 net and £20 VAT. Or you can do it exclusive. So if we did it exclusive, it would add VAT. You'll see there it's added VAT on the 120. It's assumed that's net. So you do what you want there if you're VAT registered. And then up here, you press the little arrow icon and it submits it to Xero. And if you now go into your Xero online, you'll find it there. And there we have it, Strepsils. And it will be directly there waiting to be reconciled on the bank account. Obviously, using the demo, you can also, the demo company, your app on your phone. So also using the app on the phone, you can create sales invoices very, very similar way, just by clicking on the add button and then going through who's it for, the contact, the date, add items and quantities and the amount, and you can send that to Xero. So you could be out as a customer, you could invoice them using the app as long as you've got access to the internet.